everything to lose. You can hear a pin drop filling up the room. Something's coming, I can feel it now, I can feel it. Something's coming, I can feel it now, I can feel it. It's the calm before the storm. Such a gentleman, plus all my clothes would fit. I could be a better boyfriend. I don't want to tell you twice all the ways you can't suffice. If I could give you some advice, I would leave with me tonight. Universe must have defined it. Ladies first, baby, I am myself.
Promise that one day I'll be around. I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you sound. Right now it's pretty crazy, and I don't know how to stop but slow it down. Hey, I know there are some things we need to talk about, and I can't stay. Just let me hold you for a little longer now. Take a piece of my heart and make it all your own, so when we are apart, we'll never be alone. We'll never be alone.
The stars
I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on.
Mochila nas costas, radinho na cintura, bonézinho pra trás, só caçando curva. Mochila nas costas, radinho na cintura, bonézinho pra trás, só caçando curva.
Oi, gente! Bom, eu queria dançar com várias pessoas, vários tios meus, mas tem um que acho que representa todos eles e outra pessoa muito especial. Eu queria dançar com o Paulo e com
Deixa eu ficar
o meu
nela.
irmão. Vem. Vai dançar primeiro com o Paulo.
Hã?
Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming in tails, heads on the sides apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling the puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress, but not speakers now.
Tá pedindo, se prepara, vou dançar, presta atenção. Se aguenta, se chorando e se ficar até o chão.
Esse rebola gostoso e que na melhor te pego de jeito. Se começar embrasando contigo é taca, 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 taca.
Esse rebola gostoso e que eu chorando te pego de jeito. Se começar embrasando contigo é
salva de palmas.